For decades, unidentified flying objects, UFOs, have mystified us. But while most focus is on their sightings, few talk about something just as intriguing: their sounds. From bizarre mechanical hums to high pitched frequencies that defy explanation, reports of UFO sounds have surfaced worldwide. Are these recordings proof of advanced technology, a form of communication, or something stranger? In this video, we'll explore the most mysterious UFO sound recordings ever captured, analyze their patterns, and dive into this phenomenon. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you think about the unknown. We're going to hear three different recordings of UFOs: one from St. Helens, Oregon, one from Portland, one from Michigan, and one from Switzerland. Stay tuned to hear them all. Our next UFO sound is from T-Man, who took video and audio of what he believes is a UFO. In the video description, he states the video is taken in Michigan, in his home and backyard that faces north. He states he first heard the sound, then saw the craft. We will play one of his videos here, but I encourage you to visit his channel to see his other videos that he recorded of strange lights and craft in the night sky. The link to his videos will be in the description below.
I hope you can hear this. Can you hear that? What the hell? They're changing too, I think. Gonna stop now? Come on. There's a noise. I hope you can see this. Wow. That's crazy. Can you believe what you're seeing and hearing?
Our next recording of a UFO was recorded at Portland University by a group called ISETI, Extraterrestrial Contact with Extraterrestrial Intelligence. There's no further information on the sound or the video itself, but this group has a bunch of videos, photos, and encounters with all sorts of phenomenon, including aliens, spiritual beings, Mother Mary and Jesus, Bigfoot, and ghosts. A link to their page will also be in the description below. Our next UFO sound comes from Billy Meyer, who remains one of the most polarizing figures in UFO history. While some believe he is a genuine contactee with an important message, most UFO researchers dismiss him as a hoaxer. The combination of questionable evidence, staged photos, and failed predictions makes his case highly suspect. However, his story has undeniably left a lasting mark on UFO culture and continues to be discussed today. Billy Meyer said he not only photographed this UFO, but he recorded the sound. Let's take a listen. In the early morning hours of March 17th, 1981, Sergeant Russell Yoakum of the St. Helens Police Department in Oregon was on patrol when he noticed something unusual in the sky. A bright light, far more intense than anything he had seen before, was moving eastward along the Columbia River. The way it illuminated the water below caught his attention immediately. At first, he considered the possibility of an aircraft, but the sheer brilliance and movement of the light made him question that assumption. Intrigued and sensing something out of the ordinary, he decided to call in other witnesses. Responding to his call, Oregon State Police officers Ricky Cade and Tommy McCartney arrived at the Columbia County Courthouse, which offered an unobstructed view of the river. Civilians also began to notice the mysterious light, and soon a small group of people had gathered to observe it. Across the river in Ridgefield, Washington, Donald Askins, a local resident, was also watching the same phenomenon unfold. Yoakum and the other officers were able to establish radio contact with him, and Askins reported something even more unsettling. He was hearing a strange, unidentified noise accompany the light. The sound was eerie, something unlike any conventional aircraft or natural phenomenon. Realizing that they might be witnessing something extraordinary, the officers decided to document the event as best they could. They placed a portable tape recorder next to their police radio, hoping to capture not only the descriptions of the sighting, but also the strange sound reported by the witnesses. Across the river, Askins attempted to amplify the recordings by holding his CB microphone out his window, broadcasting the noise over the radio so the officers could hear it as well. The tape ran for about 30 minutes, preserving a record of the event that would later become a significant piece in UFO-related evidence. When the recording was analyzed, experts found they captured the sound, and it was difficult to explain. It did not resemble any known aircraft noise, nor did it match the characteristics of wind, river activity, or electrical interference. The tape was eventually sent to the J. Allen Hynek Center for UFO Studies, a respected research organization that specialized in UFO phenomenon. Even they were unable to conclusively determine the origin of the sound, leaving this mystery unsolved. The Columbia River UFO incident remains one of the most intriguing cases in UFO history, not just because of the sighting itself, but because of the credible witnesses involved. Multiple law enforcement officers, civilians, and an independent observer across the river all saw the same thing, making it difficult to dismiss as mere imagination or misidentification. The presence of a physical audio recording further separates this case from countless other UFO reports that rely only on eyewitness accounts. To this day, no definitive explanation has been given for what Yoakum, Cade, McCartney, and Askin saw that night, or for the unsettling noises that were recorded as the bright object moved silently over the Columbia River. Now, here is a recording of that exact night.
You're lucky. So we got a tape recorder sitting nearby a radio whenever you're ready. We'll keep it running. If it starts up again, just be up and we'll record a little bit of it. Just didn't want to think we all screw loose. Got water. All go to bed. Yes, all it is now is just an orange glow. That's all I can see. Because the sun is coming up. Better not be. It's awful early. Awful early for the sun paper, Joe. I don't think the sun would just be in that one spot. I think it's moving out, you guys. Oh, we'll watch it. We moved up to a higher vantage point, so you tell us what it does. Well, listen. Sounds like it's revving up its engines. Can you hear it? I hope. It's sure cold out here. I hope you're taping this, you guys. Yes, we are. Sounds like to me a power plant diesel motor and a screeching noise in between it there, or with it. Okay, yeah, we're listening. 4:29 a.m. That's for the record.
So what do you think? We would love to hear from you. Post your comment below in the comment section.